So this is going to be a toolbox tour on my 46-inch masterforce, top, bottom, and then side drawer. So we'll start. Alright, so I got my circuit testers. One's from Amazon, which is the Astro, and then one's PT Tools, cheap thing, same length. My own meters, Hyper Tough, I think Walmart. And then vacuum pressure tester. So socket bits for both, well, technically for 3/8, half-inch, quarter. Miscellaneous drawer from my old freaking creepers, which ran over on accident. And then timing light. So air accessories that I have for all my air tools and that. My electric wire tool, well, electric area for wires, snippers, strippers. And that's for the ballast hydrometer. And then we got my battery tester, and I got my solder. Up top we have my Milwaukee half-inch mid-impact. I have the quarter-inch hex impact, and then the half-inch drill, and then miscellaneous, well, parts holder, magnetic, and then magnetic tools to get stuff that falls into the engines and that, and then parts holders. Up here, hammer drawer, so and then my long snips and needle nose pliers. The other drawer is just my hex torques, and that for Allen keys, and then panel removers. Both metric and ASC ratcheting wrenches. Wrench drawer, lockable wrenches. These are actually moved, but we're doing snap rings, Nipex cutters. I got a mix, so masterforce, vice grip. Tin snip. So knives for flat wheel cutoffs, grinder wheel, stethoscope, X-Acto knife set, couple of removers. So that, then that's breaker for bolts, remover, punch chisel set, lights. So, got those type of wrenches, which are the flex head wrenches, pipe plug set for quarter-inch hex, magnetic, fuel filter, well, filter socket set. Dragline socket set. Oh yeah, showed that one, sorry. And so most of these are husky, reversibles, or the ratchet. Box in both in SAE and metric. Same with these, SAE metric. All these are SAE metric. So combinations, ratcheting stubbies. Bits, Allen keys, T-handled Allen keys, tire gauge, valve remover, mix of things. Socket drawer set, so got everything in chrome and in impact. So the chromes are a mix of Husky, Matco, all in metric and ASE. Got my 84 tooth gear wrench, 1/2 inch flex head, lockable, and then pry bars, everything I need to do my job as a diesel mechanic. So this drawer is a mix of my 1/4 and 3/8. Besides this is 1/2 inch, but and then adjustable wrenches, serpentine belt changer. That's for the hex impact. And then these are for strip bolts and flank bite ones, both SAE and metric. And then these are my 1/2 inch ratchets. Screwdriver drawer, Torx, Phillips, flat. So filter wrenches, pipe wrenches, more filter wrenches, and then this is for, I think, ball bearing joint puller, and then this is just a regular puller. Picks, brush, file, more picks. That one I showed. My wrench, both in SAE metric. These are by Husky. So the back goes to 1.5 inches for SAE, and metric goes to 32. Power probe, and then 1/2 inch torque. And then my air tools, well, these are 1/2 inch. This is 1/2 inch. That's 3/8 stubby, 3/8, and then miscellaneous, hammer, 3/8 ratchets, cut off wheel. And then stubby hex, tie rod Pitman arm set, axle nuts, and then all my torques. That's it.